The evolution of business cards has taken a digital turn, and it's revolutionizing the way we network and keep in touch with professional contacts. From calling cards to traditional paper cards, to now fully customizable and eco-friendly digital business cards, we're taking a journey through the history of business cards and exploring the many benefits of this innovative technology. Join us as we discover how digital business cards are simplifying the process of networking, improving the customer experience, and reducing our carbon footprint. Get ready to be inspired, informed, and entertained. Welcome to Zapped. History of business cards. The history of business cards dates back to 15th century China, where they were used to exchange information among merchants. But it wasn't until the 19th century that business cards became a staple in Europe, with the social elite using them to announce their visits to each other. Fast forward to today, and business cards are still just as important for professionals to make a good impression and build relationships.
New card. What do you think?
Whoa, very nice.
In fact, according to a study by researchers at Temple University, people make judgments about others within the first 7 seconds of meeting them, and a well-designed business card can make all the difference. But with the digital age in full swing, traditional business cards have evolved into their digital counterparts, digital business cards. Digital business cards provide all the customization, branding, and content options of paper, with the added benefits of being eco-friendly and cost-effective. In fact, an estimated 10 billion paper business cards get printed annually, contributing to paper waste. With digital business cards, you can keep them forever and reduce your environmental impact. The popularity of digital business cards is also on the rise. According to a study by Statista, the market for digital business cards is projected to reach $2.2 billion by 2023. Digital business cards are convenient, easy to update, and provide infinite sharing options, allowing professionals to connect with others in a fast and efficient way. Business cards have come a long way, and with the advancements in technology, they will continue to evolve and play a crucial role in the world of professional networking. So the next time you hand out your business card, take a moment to reflect on its rich history and the impact it can have on your professional growth and success. Benefits of digital business cards. First and foremost, digital business cards are more cost-effective. According to a survey by Print Industry, the average cost of printing a paper business card is 19 cents, and if you need to print hundreds or even thousands of them, the cost can quickly add up. With digital business cards, you save on the cost of repeated print and design, and can easily update your information as needed without having to print new cards every time. Digital business cards are also much more environmentally friendly. It's estimated that 10 billion paper business cards are printed annually, many of which end up in landfills. With digital business cards, you can reduce your carbon footprint and minimize paper waste. In addition to cost and environmental benefits, digital business cards offer much more customization and branding options than traditional paper cards. With digital business cards, you can include images, videos, and other multimedia elements, making them more memorable and impactful. You can also easily customize the look and feel of your card to match your personal or business brand. Another advantage of digital business cards is that they can be easily shared and stored. You can share your digital business card via email, text, or social media, making it easier for people to connect with you. You can also store your digital business cards in a virtual contact book, ensuring that you never lose important contacts. Finally, digital business cards are much more efficient and convenient. You no longer have to worry about running out of business cards when you need them most. You can easily access your digital business card from your smartphone, tablet, or computer, making it quick and easy to exchange information with others. Conclusion. The evolution of business cards from paper to digital has been an important milestone in the business world. They offer a range of benefits, from eco-friendliness to cost-effectiveness, and provide a practical tool for businesses to network and show off their branding. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of the evolution of business cards and how they can benefit you and your business. What do you think about digital business cards? Do you think they are the future of professional networking? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of technology and leadership.
Hey, have you ever been zapped?
Zapped? No, what's that?
Here, let me show you.
If you're still using paper cards, this product is for you. With Zapped, you can instantly send your customizable business card to other people, having all of your information in one place. Oh my God, this is so cool. I'm actually in real estate and I hate carrying around a bunch of cards. This is amazing. The cards are easy to carry and the tags can be placed on your phone, laptop, or even entryway to your office. Say goodbye to swapping cards and try out Zapped today.